Well, hello and welcome. How are you?
So I'm doing good. What about you?
I'm very well, thank you. Can you tell us what is your name and where are you from?
Yeah. So hello everyone. So my name is Ansh and I'm from India and I've been trading Forex for almost 2 years now. And from the last year, I got to know about the OFP and I've been trading with OFP since then. So yeah, that's
When you decided to trade with OFP, what made you decide to
Mhm.
trade with us?
See, initial years of my like trading, it was very difficult for me to grow because challenge phases you buy an account and then again you fail an account. So it's get very frustrated and I don't think you can see any growth in that. And so I was just randomly scrolling in Instagram, and then I found the OFP, and that's when I discovered about it, and it was like mind blowing because you can actually set your own targets according to your inconsistency score, right? So that's when I heard about the OFP, and from then I think I have withdrawn around $2,800 from them. So yeah, that's a big achievement for me right now.
How has your experience overall with OFP been in the last year since you started?
So my experience with OFP is basically like a roller coaster, right? So I bought an account, I again filled an account, I again bought an account, and I again filled an account. But to be honest, when you like follow all their rules and everything goes accordingly, you will get your payout in your account definitely. So it's a roller coaster ride for me, but it was amazing.
How would you describe the payout process at OFP?
So the payout process is actually very simple. Once you like qualify all the requirements of the OFP team and make sure you didn't break any rules, and they will get like share you your email and you will get the payout in like 1 to 2 hours. That's it. It's a very smooth process. You will get your payout in 1 to 2 hours. So I
Wow,
have received all my payouts in yeah, I have received all my payouts in maximum 2 to 3 hours.
really? 2 to 3 hours?
Yeah, exactly.
About how many payouts have you had so far?
So with OFP only, I received two payouts. One was like 800 something dollars, and second was like I think 1200, 1300 something like that.
It typically take you to reach your score.
Oh, for me, it's like 5 days maximum.
Really?
Yeah, only 5 days.
Wow.
I
That's
mean, that's kind of shocking also because I have heard people they tend to trade for like a whole month and they are not able to reach there. But for me, it's like very simple. I easily reach the inconsistency score within 5 days. Five or max to max 6 days.
what advice do you have for traders who have a hard time? Like you say, they take a whole month to do their consistency score. What advice could you
Mhm.
give a trader about the consistency score that might help them do better?
See, I have seen traders, they tend to risk more, right? They tend to overtrade. So the only advice that I can give is less is more. Focus on one pair, focus on one session, and focus on 1 to 2 trades a day. That's it, and you will definitely reach your inconsistency score as soon as possible. So yeah, that's the lesson.
How do you manage your risk management?
Yeah. So I trade only gold and only in New York session, right? And I've been trading it for almost a year. So my risk to reward doesn't like it changes accordingly, right? Some trade I have a like 1:2 risk to reward. In some trades, it's like negative risk to reward as well. So what I do is I have a playbook and I have all the data, and I know if a setup is A plus setup, I tend to increase my risk. So let's say on a A setup, I'm risking 1%, but when the opportunity and the market conditions are right, I tend to increase my risk to maybe 2%. So that's how I increase my wins. And coming towards losses, I don't hold my losses. I
Yeah.
immediately cut them as soon as I see the market is reversing or it's not going in my direction. Because gold is very volatile. It can give you your TP in like 1 minute, and it can hit your stop loss in like 1 minute. So you have to be very patient and you have to be very disciplined while trading
What are
gold.
your future goals as a trader? Um, and how do
Yeah.
you see OFP helping you with those goals?
Yeah. So my goal for like trading is like I have to become a full-time trader, right? That's my like goal because trading provide all the freedom and all the opportunities that you get. So that's like my dream to become a full-time trader. Right now, I'm not a full-time trader because I only trade NY session and I have other job as well. So that's the main goal for me. And talking about the OFP, I'm gonna withdraw at least $10,000 from OFP.
How much more?
$10,000.
All
So
right.
that's the main goal for me. Yeah.
Yeah. Well, I think you'll be able to do it. Just share your trading strategy. I think we have a few minutes or
Yeah, yeah, I can
you
share.
can you can quickly.
Do is I go to the monthly time frame and I mark all these zones from here, right? So this is my monthly open, right? I have already marked it here, so I'm not gonna do it again. All right. So why I used to mark this monthly open and I go to the weekly and I mark the weekly open and I then go to the daily, then I mark the daily open as well. Is because when you go to the lower time frame, you tend to find like these levels are always respected in the lower time frame, right? So that's how I mark all these levels and I got to know that these are my levels. All right. After like doing this, this is my playbook, right? It's visible.
Okay.
Yeah. So this is my basically playbook, which accordingly I risk and when I find like setups here, I risk accordingly according to my setups.
Frame do you trade on?
I only trade on basically daily 2 4 hour 1 hour and then after 30 minutes. I take entries only on 30 minutes.
Okay, so you take your entries on the 30-minute.
Yeah.
And I see that
But
you
I
have
do my top down analysis
so
from
you do
like
your top
monthly, weekly, and then yeah, yeah.
right. You do your
So I
top
do my top
decline
down analysis.
correct and you mark your levels
Exactly.
and then you execute
Exactly.
on the 30-minute.
30 minutes. Exactly. So these setups I look for in the 30 minute. So that's my playbook, right?
Yes, 30-minute.
These are the things that I look for in these zones. These zones. So let's just say I want to take a sell here, right? So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna wait for a candle to close below. This candle has clearly closed below this weekly open, right? So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna execute a trade here, which I have done in the 15 minute because the 15 minute has already closed below, and my stop loss will be like right above here or maybe on the upper wick, and then it.
Trail your trades and just trade it.
Uh, yeah. So my risk management is very. I don't know how I'm gonna explain this.
Okay.
So how I manage, yeah. So basically, people tend to confuse when I start to explain my risk management. See, what I do is, let's say if I take trade here, right, and it goes in my direction for like 10 pips, 12 pips, 13 pips. So what I do is I put my stop loss at break even right here, right, because you were in profits. So why you want to take a loss right now when you were in profits? So if it hit break even, it hit. That's it. I'd call it a day. I might look for another opportunity, but that's it. But after the trade has gone in my favor, I'm not gonna like lose it at any cost.
Right. So you're going to protect your capital and you're going to at least
Exactly.
you're going to put it at break
Exactly.
even.
Exactly.
And either it's going to keep going in your direction or it's not.
Or it's gonna like hit my break even. If I hit my break even, so that's it. I'm gonna call it a day. Come back tomorrow. One or two
Exactly.
trades a day. That's what I do.
I think that's a really great mindset. New York session, do you trade at market open? So I think what time does market
8 a.m.
open?
to So I trade from 8 a.m. to 10 a.m. max. That's it. Only 2 hours.
New York, Eastern New York.
EST. Yes, Eastern.
What final words or advice would you give to anybody who's thinking about trading with OFP?
So if anybody is like thinking with going with the OFP, I think they should just go for it. but you have to be disciplined. If you are not disciplined, you will get your payout reject. Definitely, you have to be disciplined. That's why I'm saying less is more. 1 to 2 trades a day. That's it. Follow the OFP rules, you will get paid. Definitely.
Absolutely.
So yeah,
I appreciate that. Thank you so much for your time and for sharing with us. We really appreciate it. And just
yeah. Thank you.
thank you for being a part of our community.
Yeah, thank you so much for having me here, guys. It means a lot to me. And
Yeah,
yeah, that's pretty much one.
we love having you. And we're excited to see, how you grow as a trader.
Yeah, definitely happy. We are gonna have another interview for sure.
Oh, yeah, we will. Thank you so much, Ansh. And I wish you so much luck with your trading.
Yeah, thank you so much. Yeah. Thank you.